You've been hearing everybody talk about ChatGPT, but you have no clue where to even start. Or maybe you tried it once, got some boring generic response and thought, wow, this thing is overrated garbage. Then this video is for you. Here's the truth. Most people are using ChatGPT completely wrong, like 90% wrong, which is why they get trash results. But when you actually know how to ask for what you want, ChatGPT becomes ridiculously powerful. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll go from, what is this thing, to confidently using ChatGPT for your important tasks. Here's what ChatGPT can actually pull off when you use it the right way. Crank out pro-level emails, blog posts, and social content in minutes, not hours. Explain complicated stuff like you're chatting with a smart friend, not a boring textbook. Slice through documents, data, and even images way faster than doing it yourself. Throw out fresh ideas and strategies you probably never would have thought of. Take care of all those repetitive, boring tasks so you can actually focus on the fun stuff. Basically, it's like hiring a super smart assistant who costs less than Netflix and doesn't complain about Mondays. Part 1. Free versus paid. Getting started right. You'll see a few different versions of ChatGPT out there. The free version runs on a very smart model, like GPT-5 Mini. It's fast and more than capable for everyday tasks like writing captions, brainstorming, and quick research. Think of it as an enthusiastic, talented intern. Perfect if you're just testing things out. But it does have its limits. You might hit usage caps during peak times, and you won't get the most advanced features. Now, ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 a month, it gives you GPT-5, the most powerful model. This is your advanced co-pilot. It can analyze documents, create images from scratch, browse the internet for real-time data, and handle complex reasoning that the free version can't touch. Here's the simple rule. Start with the free version. The moment you find yourself thinking, I wish this could do more for my business, that's your sign to upgrade. The time you save will make that $20 feel like the best investment you've ever made. Part 2. The secret language, how to ask. The difference between a beginner and an expert comes down to one word, the prompt. A bad prompt is a vague question. A great prompt is a detailed briefing. You're not just asking a chatbot for help. You are hiring a world-class expert for a specific task, and you need to give them a great set of instructions. To do that, you just need a framework. I'm going to give you my favorite one. It's called the CRISPy framework, and it works every single time. It stands for C. Context, paint the picture for the AI. Who are you? Who is your audience? What's your goal? R. Role, this is the magic key. Tell the AI who to be. Act as a senior copywriter with 10 years of experience in luxury brands. You are a business strategist who specializes in scaling e-commerce stores. I. Instruction, what is the exact task you want it to perform? Be clear. Create a 3-part welcome email sequence. S. Specification, how do you want it? Define the format, the tone, the length. The tone should be witty and conversational under 200 words. P. Performance, what does success look like? The goal is to get a high click-through rate. Avoid overly salesy language. E. Example, show it what you mean. Here's a post I love. I want to replicate this style. Part 3. The power in action. Real-world prompts. Okay, theory is great, but let's put this to work. Here are some plug-and-play prompts you can steal right now. Want content that actually converts? Try this. You are a LinkedIn content strategist. I'm a business coach helping small business owners. Write a LinkedIn post that starts with a controversial statement about marketing, includes a story of a client transformation, and ends with 3 actionable tips. Make it conversational with a soft CTA to read my newsletter. Need to analyze your competition? Try this. Act as a business strategist. My competitor charges $1,500 for a service I charge $2,000 for. Analyze their website, link, and suggest 3 ways I can better communicate my added value to justify my higher price. Help me create a positioning statement that makes price less of a factor. Want a complete content plan? Try this. You're a content strategist for coaches. My audience is business owners making $100,000 to $500,000 who feel stuck. Create a 30-day content calendar for LinkedIn. Give me specific post ideas that address their biggest fears. Showcase my expertise and lead to discovery calls. For each idea, include a hook, key points, and a CTA. For sales and outreach, act as a B2B sales copywriter. Write a 3-part cold email sequence for my product name, which solves pain point for target audience. Email 1, hook with the pain point. Email 2, share a quick client win or statistic. Email 3, direct CTA for a 15-minute demo. Keep the tone professional and the emails under 150 words. 4, strategic planning. You are a business consultant. Analyze my business. Type of business, e.g., eco-friendly subscription box. Strengths. List your strengths. Weaknesses. List your weaknesses. Market trends. List 1 to 2 relevant trends. Generate 3 potential opportunities, 3 threats, and 1 key strategic recommendation. 4, personal branding. Act as a media training coach. I'm being interviewed on the podcast named Ski. Podcast about my expertise and your expertise. Please generate 5 likely questions the host will ask, 3 compelling stories or anecdotes I can share, a concise and powerful answer to the question, so tell us what you do. Want a client case study that sells for you? You are a case study writer. Turn this client result, insert details into a compelling LinkedIn case study post. Start with the client's challenge, explain the process we used, and highlight the measurable results. End with a takeaway lesson for the reader. Want to turn one podcast into 6+ posts? You're a content repurposing expert. I have a 30-minute podcast episode on topic. Create 3 LinkedIn posts, 2 tweets, and 1 email newsletter draft from it. Each should have a unique angle but point back to the original episode. Struggling with client objections. Act as a sales strategist. List the top 5 objections my ideal client has about buying my product/service. For each objection, write a clear and empathetic response I can use in a call or in my content. Want a signature framework that makes you unforgettable? You're a business coach. Help me turn my process into a branded 3 to 5 step framework with a catchy name. Each step should be easy to remember, visually appealing for diagrams, and show clients the clear path from problem to result. Want testimonials that attract new clients? Act as a copywriter. I'll paste raw feedback from my client. Turn it into a polished testimonial that highlights their before and after transformation, makes it relatable, and builds credibility without sounding scripted. Need content that pre-sells your offer? You are a content strategist. Create 5 LinkedIn post ideas that educate my audience on topic, handle common objections, and position my service as the natural next step without being salesy. Include a suggested CTA for each post. Want a workshop outline that converts participants into clients? You are a training consultant. Design a 60-minute workshop outline on topic that delivers quick wins, builds trust, and naturally transitions into my coaching offer at the end. Include talking points, interactive exercises, and closing CTA. And here's the ultimate hack. If you ever feel your prompt is weak, just ask the AI to fix it for you. Simply type, "Improve my previous prompt to be more specific and effective." It will literally rewrite your instructions for you. With ChatGPT Plus, it gets better. You're not just limited to text. You can upload a screenshot of a competitor's ad and ask, "Analyze this ad. What psychological triggers are they using, and how can I create something better?" You can upload a PDF of market research and ask, "Summarize the 3 biggest opportunities for my business from this report." You can even use voice mode on your phone to brainstorm ideas hands-free while you're on a walk. This isn't just a tool, it's your new business co-pilot. Conclusion and call to action. You started this video thinking ChatGPT was just another piece of overhyped tech. But now you know the secret. It's not about the AI, it's about the instructions you give it. You now have the frameworks and the prompts to go from getting generic garbage to professionals' quality results that can truly grow your business. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just close this video and forget everything. Your mission is to open a new tab right now, take one of the prompts I shared, adapt it to your business, and run it. Then come back here and comment below with the prompt you used and the amazing result you got. I want to see what you create. If you're ready for even more advanced strategies, check out my other video on ChatGPT hacks right here, and subscribe for more AI tutorials that deliver real results. Now go unlock your new superpower. I'll see you in the comments.